Here at Worldwide Bulldogs, all our puppies are AKC registered. They're pure Bulldogs. They're purebreds. And if you're also interested, we also offer champion bloodlines. The reason why you need to consider Worldwide Bulldog is all about the husbandry and how we passionately take care of these animals from birth all the way up to the moment of the adoption. We put more care and compassion into the rearing of these animals to ensure that it would be a perfect fit for your family. Also keep in mind we have decades of experience and we listen to your needs to perfectly match a puppy to your family.